Welcome guys to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be teaching you on how to activate your Windows Office or things like application under those or software under those Office app, for example, your Word, your PowerPoint, and the rest of them and all that. So let's teach you how to activate these in few seconds. So without wasting much time, you have to be connected to your internet. So make sure you're connected to your internet. And the next thing for you to do here is to go ahead to open your Windows PowerShell. I'm going to be opening Windows PowerShell here. You can see this application, Windows PowerShell. So what you have to do here for this is to run as an administrator. So once you see this popping up, just click here on yes. And yes, you've run this as administrator. Then the next thing to do is to go ahead to copy this code that you can see here on my screen. Then get Win Activator IX. So click here on copy. Then the next thing to do here is to close this application and just paste it here, Control V. And what you have to do after pasting this here is to click here on enter. Then you have this downloading. And after a few seconds, you're going to get another pop-up telling you about the whole activation process. So since I'm going to activate my Office, that's the Office, I'm going to click here on 2. And you can see there, you can tell me install Office activation. So I'm just click here on 1. If you want to download your Office, click on the 3. But since I'm installing the activation, I just click on 1 and I should get my Office activated. I already have my Office activated, but I'm just really making this video again just to teach you all how to do this. So if this actually work for you, go ahead to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and share this video to people that are going to really need, because it's a very important video. Bye for now and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.